Hello, students in grade 4 grammar. Get your pencil and paper ready and please use that pause button as I go. Here are the sentences I would like you to copy and classify using the question and answer flow that we use in class. Sentence 1. Copy. Ouch, Beatrice cut her finger during the experiment. 2. Maggie is a scientist. 3. Eva gave her an experiment to test. Who cut her finger during the experiment? Beatrice, subject, noun, and so on. Please pause and classify the sentences. Here you can see that we asked what or who cut her finger? Beatrice, subject, noun. What is being said about Beatrice? Beatrice cut. Verb. Cut what? Finger. Verify the noun. Does finger mean the same thing as Beatrice? No. Finger, direct object. And cut becomes verb transitive. Whose finger? Her, possessive pronoun, adjective, and so on. Don't forget, ouch, I for interjection. If you haven't done the next two yet, pause and do the next two sentences. Maggie is a scientist. Who is a scientist? Maggie, subject, noun. What is being said about Maggie? Maggie is, verb is what? Scientist, verify the noun. Does scientist mean the same thing as Maggie? Yes. Scientist, predicate, noun. Is becomes a linking verb. And pattern 3 has the direct object and an indirect object because you gave experiment to whom? Her, indirect object. These are all declarative sentences, and you can see the patterns. Check your paper now and see how you might need to redo some things. The new skill in exercise 2 is writing a friendly letter. The friendly letter has these important parts. You should have these parts. Some tips include: write as if you are talking to a person face to face. Share information about yourself. If you're writing a return letter, be sure to answer any questions that were asked. End your letter in a positive way so that your reader will want to write back to you. Notice that the date is on the letter in the upper right-hand corner. There is a comma after Dear Miss Mahari. There is a comma after your friend, and friend is not capitalized, but your is capitalized. And you can see that I ended with, I can't wait to get their letters and your letter. Signature at the end after your closing. This page shows lots of interesting little details about writing a friendly letter. The heading contains your address and the date. You have a greeting like dear, right? And the body tells the reason the letter is being written. The closing, capitalize only the first word, followed by a comma, and the signature. On the envelope, you want to make sure you have your return address in the upper left corner. The mailing address, the person receiving the letter, goes in the middle, and your stamp goes in the upper right-hand corner. These are things that you may need to come back and look at during your lessons this week. So use this slideshow, this video, as needed during the week. Have fun.